darlings, welcome back to my channel. For all those who are new here, I'm Aparna Jatin Shah, and for all those who've been connected with us, thank you so much for showering all the love that you are. So आज का जो लुक है वो मैंने इंडियन लुक क्रिएट किया है बिकॉज नाउ दैट अगस्त इज कमिंग, अगस्त से दिसंबर तक इज लाइक माई फेवरेट मंथ्स. ए बिकॉज जतिन और मेरा बर्थडे भी आता है, बी ऑल्सो बिकॉज राखी कम्स, उसके बाद फिर नवरात्रि स्टार्ट्स, देन गणपति, देन दशहरा, दिवाली, न्यू ईयर. सो फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन जो हमारे इंडियन फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग हो जाते हैं. एंड आई लव ड्रेसिंग अप स्पेशली इन इंडियंस. So I thought I'll just create this look for Rakhi, and in case if you do try this look, please tag me on Instagram with a picture of yours. I would love to see whether this is helping you guys or no. So ये जो look मैंने create किया है वो बहुत ज़्यादा I have not intensified it because a lot of work keeps happening when you're at home, and you know Rakhi, sari, brothers, so there's so much happening कि अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा hair do कर लो and everything, it becomes difficult to start doing the chitter pitter work that comes along with relatives coming in and friends coming in. So this one mostly Indian look for Diwali, Rakhi and all, I keep very mellowed down in the way कि मैं साथ साथ में भागा दौड़ी काम भी कर सकती हूँ. So I've done very basic of everything together, like eyes and base and everything. And if you like this look, please put it in the comment box and let me know how you found it. Was it very hard for you? Was it easy? And without wasting any more time, let's go ahead.
I'm starting my makeup with Prep Me Up by Nykaa. This basically helps in forming the even tone of the skin. Make sure after applying it, you let it stay on your skin before you apply any makeup for at least 10 minutes so it penetrates through the skin completely. Meanwhile, prep your lips with any lip balm so that lips become soft, and while applying lipstick, it doesn't look or feel flaky. Next, I am applying Maybelline foundation. To make my foundation a little more glossy, I am adding a drop of Diamond Cream by Bharat and Doris. Mix them both well and then apply it across the face with the help of a wet sponge. Don't apply directly under eye too much as it can start creasing under eye due to too much product usage. Now I'm applying liquid concealer on all my high points of the face. Again with the same sponge, I am dabbing and mixing all the concealer well on the same places where I had applied the concealer. Now to fix the foundation and concealer, I am applying a loose powder by L'Oreal. This comes with an inbuilt brush which you can use, however I am using a softer bristle brush here. The loose powder needs to be applied lightly all over the face and a little more on the high points of the face. Next we are going to use the contour to give more dimension to our face. The contour should always be darker than your skin tone. It is important to mix it really well. For nose contouring, if you are starting up, you can use smaller brushes. Here I am using the bigger one because I am used to this. The contour brush comes in this shape. It has a perfect angle to mix the contour in the right shape. I'm using the Kabuki brush to mix the blusher. Here I'm using the Oriflame Gold Bronzing Pearl. You can apply the blush only on your cheekbone or flush it till the hair like I am doing so. Next I am using the L'Oreal transparent powder which has shimmer to dust off excess powder that we had applied before, and to also add slight shimmer to the whole makeup look. For eyes, I'm using a natural brown to give the base. Dust off the extra from brush and take it across the lids. Now after that, I'm using a smaller brush with this color and dabbing more on the outer corner and starting to get it inside through brushing. I'm not adding any color for inner eyes. After the top eye is complete, I'm using the black and gold mix very lightly to outline the underwater line of my eyes. For eyebrows, I use mix of black and brown. I start with brushing off with spoolie and making the shape correct. Very gently around the hair, I take the color and shape the eyebrows. Next, I'm using the highlighter to all my high points. You can use the brush to apply the highlighter or simply use the fingers. Both do equally wonderful job. Next, I'm using the L'Oreal Makeup Fixing Spray, which helps the makeup last longer. After letting the makeup spray fixer dry, I am applying mascara. Just by applying mascara, the eyes get very well defined. You can see the difference. Next, I am applying the gel liner by Nykaa, which I use as kajal and eyeliner both. Next, I'm shaping my lips by Color Bar Lip Liner. I'm using the lipstick by Bharat and Doris. Next, I'm using the lip gloss by Bharat and Doris. I'll add a little more on the middle of the lips to make it look a little more plumper. And we finish the look by adding a little vermilion, bindi and jewelry to it.